Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix, new branding. I think we noticed that the last time I sent that. I'm sure you've seen pretty much every other YouTuber open a box with the new branding. They don't give you the little style cards in the box anymore. You got to use a QR code and go onto their site to see the styling, which is fine by me. I never use their styling. Matter of fact, I think their styling is pretty awful. So, I picked one item for my preview this time, and the rest my stylist put in the box. Most, but not all, are from my saved items list. In case you don't know, spend 20 bucks. They'll curate a box of 5 items. Send back what you don't want, keep what you love. That $20 gets applied to whatever you keep. Don't keep anything, you're out that $20. I was one of the privileged people and got blessed with the Style Pass. I pay $49 a year and I can get unlimited fixes, no styling free. Shipping is free both ways. And that $49 also gets applied to whatever I decide to keep. So it's a no-brainer for me, get the Style Pass, because I can keep getting these things. And if I don't like anything, I just send back. Now, I just recently got a Trendsend and I really like that box and I have limited funds. So right now in my mind, I'm probably going to be returning everything in this box because I saw the little, I was able to pretend like I was checking out to see what I had in this box. And I'm like, I'm gonna, open it up in front of you and maybe things will change my mind when I see it. But right now, so far, my Trendsend is beating me out. So let's see if I can open this up in front of you, all right? So it just takes one little rip of the tape, open it up, okay? Pre-packaged mailer and a bundle, all right? So let's open up the bundle, see what I got here. All right, the first item is something that I picked, and that's a cashmere cardigan. And I picked it because I do want a gray cardigan. Does it need to be cashmere? No. As a matter of fact, I think I'd rather actually prefer cotton, to be honest with you. But it's cute. It's just a typical V-neck cardigan. This is by Nouveau. It's 100% cashmere, extra small, and I remember the price is $138, which is pretty pricey. Now you're gonna say, Carolyn, I thought you liked Quince's, cashmere. Yes, I certainly do like Quince's cashmere. However, their cardigans in this style are all oversized, and Carolyn does not do oversized well. So I was looking for not a fitted cardigan, just a regular plain gray, preferably cotton cardigan, but this is cashmere, so I said, give me a try, $138. So that's kind of pricey. The jacket that I want from Trendsend is $129. I'll try it on, but right now I'm thinking I'd rather have that jacket. All right, so that's the first item in this box. The next item, as I toss it on the couch, is this yellow sweater. And boy, I'm gonna have to turn on the lights and look at this because this is kind of looking kind of green to me, yellow green. I thought this was yellow, like a baby butter yellow. So totally different than what I thought it was going to be. This is the Nick and Zoe rib sweater in yellow, also $138, which is, again, very pricey for what it is, but Nick and Zoe is an expensive brand. I actually don't own any Nick and Zoe because I feel it's a little bit overpriced. 53% cotton, 27% viscose, 16% nylon, and 4% spandex. And this is yellow? I'm gonna have to turn on my lights and make sure this is yellow. This to me looks like a yellow green, like a spring green almost. And yeah, not what I was hoping for. I thought it was gonna be butter yellow. So good, I can send this one back too. $138, I don't need it. Okay, the next item, that was from my wish list, all right? So she found it from my wish list and sent it to me. The next item she chose herself. This was something that I had on my radar. This is the Staccato Stefan long sleeve knit top in off-white, extra small, $49. Now, I wouldn't mind more knit tops, and I actually have one that's coming to me from White House Black Market that I got with a coupon. So this has the crew neck, and crew neck is not my favorite, and I will wear it, obviously. The yellow sweater was a crew neck. I will wear it, but I'll be honest with you, crew necks are not my favorite. As you can see, this is a couple things going on. It's got like little dots as stripes going across, right? And the inside of it is lined with lines, so it looks like it's like you know, when you hold it up, it almost looks like it has lines going across, but it's really just dots. And then the sleeve has full-on lines, and the cuff on the bottom just has dots again. And it's a straight hem bottom. This feels like a cotton poly mix. Let's see what it says. Let's see what it says. It's saying hand wash cold. I ain't gonna be hand washing this. 45% polyester, 43% cotton, and 12% rayon. Do not dry clean, line dry. So this would go into my wash in a bag and garment bag, and I would wash it on delicate and I would hang it to dry. And that's what I would do with this top if I were to keep it. It's all right. You know, it's not saying, ooh, Carolyn, buy me. It's all right. All right, so again, for $49, I like the one that I got from White House Black Market on sale for $20, better. All right, next up, what is this? This is the Vero Moda Carmen Vest in black, extra small. Ooh, I guess this is on sale, $47.97. Oh, okay. So this is a black vest. It's longer. I'm gonna have to try this one on for you. I do have one longer vest in taupe, but this looks really long. I'd have to see how it looks on me. And it actually feels like it has like some cotton in it. It actually feels not a nicer quality. So what is this made out of? It has a long list of stuff here. Made in China. Let's see if I can figure it out. 7% polyester. I can't figure this out. Looks like viscose. Okay, here it is. 93% viscose, 7% polyester. Like I said, it felt cottonish, and viscose is a form of rayon, so that kind of makes sense. So what else can I tell you about this? Does it have working pockets here? Yes, yes, there are working pockets here in the front. It's a one-button closure, and it's on sale. So maybe, maybe. All right, I have to see what it looks like on. Originally, I said no, and she sent me that. That wasn't on my wish list at all. She chose that and sent that. And then the last thing that I have is the Vero Moda GG quarter sleeve boat neck in olive. And it is a sweater, okay? It's a boat neck style. Wow. Oh, we'll have to see what it looks like this on. Like I like a dolman, but when it's wide like this and not gathered around my waist, and it's wide on my waist and it's just gonna be flopping around, I usually don't like that style. So it's like a pointelle type of knit. We'll have to see if I need to wear something underneath or if I can just wear my bra. I have a feeling I'm gonna need something underneath, but I won't when I try it on for you to just see what it looks like. Because sometimes you need that and be able to see it in the camera to make that judgment what to do in real life. And this is made in Bangladesh. Let's see what else we can find out about this. 9 million languages here. Machine wash cold, dry flat, no problem. And I'm pretty sure this is 60 cotton, 40 acrylic, but I cannot find, oh, yep, here it is, 60 cotton and 40 acrylic. So yeah, it's cute, but we'll have to see what it looks like on. All right, I hope you like watching this. You're gonna have to give me some time. It's gonna be seamless for you, but I gotta get to work and I'll be filming my try on later. Take care. Okay, I have on the Nick and Zoe supposedly yellow sweater for $138, and this is an easy pass because I really dislike this color. There are very few colors I dislike, and there's some colors that I like but just don't like on me, and this is dislike and dislike on me. Maybe on somebody else I would like this color, but on me I hate this color. I think it makes me look sickly. I really thought from the picture that it was like a butter yellow, and this is like a greenish kind of yellow, but I'll stand back. I would say this is fits me true to size. It's an extra small. It's a good length. It comes to my hips. It's a little long in the arms, but I'm a shorty and I can just easily roll the cuffs. All right, so this is an easy send back and saving myself $138. Here is the back of it. And, you know, it'd be great if this were a pretty color and I could layer with it, but it is not, so there you go. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next piece. Up next is the staccato top that my stylist sent me as a surprise. And if you don't know, my stylist is my friend Shannon from Shannon's Style. She doesn't post much on YouTube much anymore, but we still are in regular contact pretty much almost every day. So Shannon, I don't like this top at all. It kind of reminds me of like the mixed variation with the stripes here and the dots here, something I would dress my daughter in when she was little. You know, it's kind of like, I don't know, I don't like it. I don't like the crew neck. The shape, it's pretty shapeless. As you can see, it's just kind of a square box shape here. The length is a little long. Sleeves are pretty good though. And it is a nice, soft, comfortable, cozy shirt. So if that is your style, if you like this, it is very comfortable and easygoing. It's just not me with the mixed patterns. Here is the back of it. And yeah, more money saved. I believe this one was $49. All right, give me a minute. I'll pop on the next piece. Next up is the Vero Moda sweater in olive green. Now this was on my wish list and she picked it for me and it was a surprise in my box, although I peeked. And you know, I like it when it's fitted down here and I can handle the dolman, but this is just, it's a little bit like too much flippy floppy here. And here's the real problem with it. Okay, I could not tolerate that with it hiking up every time I raise my arms. So no, and that and the fact that it's see-through. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind wearing camis under things, but it's got a lot going on with it that I don't like about it. And again, I don't like the high crew neck as much, and I just don't like the overall fit. I'll stand back a little bit and I'll turn around so you can see the back of it as well. Okay. And this was a cotton acrylic mix, so it is a soft, comfortable fabric. It's not itchy in my opinion at all. So if this is your style, put it on your list and request it. But this is a no for me. And this is an extra small, and I don't mind like crop, but this is a bit much. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next piece. Okay, next up is the cashmere cardigan, and I'm pretty shocked about the quality. As you can see, it is see-through, and this is a dark color and it's see-through. I'm wearing a new bra underneath. The cashmere isn't as soft and cozy as my quince cashmere, and as a matter of fact, I actually feel a touch of itch in this. The fit is good. It's buttoned down the front, comes right here at my hips. The length in the arms is even pretty good. And you know, $138, they gotta be crazy. This is, you know, 50 bucks at most. All right, here is the back of it, and yes, I know it's cashmere, and I know cashmere is expensive, but I much rather buy a better quality cashmere from Quince. And yeah, nope, this is another nope. All right, give me a minute, and I'll try and style that vest for you. Okay, next up I have the vest. I'm first having it buttoned, and I just have it with a black and white striped shirt that's my own underneath. And I wanted you to see what it looked like buttoned, and then I'll leave it open. All right, so here it is buttoned, and I don't like it on me. I feel it's strange looking. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure if it's the length and it's too long, or if it's just too big and bulky up here. But let's look at what it looks like unbuttoned. Okay, all right, unbuttoned it looks better. Nothing I have to add to my closet, I don't think. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be sending this entire box back. Yeah, so sometimes you find things you like and sometimes you don't, but there's nothing in this box that I feel I need to add to my wardrobe. And if you've been following me, I really had a really good Trendsend box, and I'd rather invest my money there than things that I just go, there's too many clothes out there, too many cute items that I don't need to settle. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, and give me that thumbs up. And take care. Till next time.